Hi everyone, Leslyn Keith, certified lymphedema therapist. I've been treating lymphedema and other lymphatic and fat disorders for 20 years. And today I wanted to talk to you about the functions of the lymphatic system and a healthy way of eating that supports a healthy lymphatic system. So let me show you some slides. Okay, so here we are with our lymphatic system and talking about the different functions of the lymphatic system. The first one I wanted to share with you is fighting infection, our immune system. Our lymphatic system is an integral part of our immune system. So it is responsible for transporting those agents that fight infection. It's getting the fighting cells where we need them to be. And so our lymphatic system transports things. It transports these materials and also the bad stuff. It transports them to lymph nodes and other filtering lymphoid organs that are going to denature or kill the invading organs. So that is a very important function. Another important function of the lymphatic system is fluid balance. So this is keeping you so you're not swollen and you're not dehydrating. So keeping that proper balance of fluid in your body. So when our lymphatic system is impaired or having a rough time, it's going to leave fluid behind and we're going to swell. Typically in the lower part of our body where gravity is pulling it down. It might even be in your hands because of gravity, because your hands are in a dependent position. So our lymphatic system, it's vital that it is able to transport and carry fluid out of the tissues and bring it back to the blood circulatory system. If it can't transport all of the fluid that is arriving there via the arterial system, then we're going to end up with swelling. And then the next function, kind of with this immune function and with the fluid transport and keeping that fluid balance, is that waste removal, because it's removing every bit of fluid and material from the interstitium, from those spaces in between the cells in our tissues. It's moving all that material and carrying it back through these filtration bodies, through the lymph nodes and the spleen and stuff like that, and getting stuff cleaned up and filtering it, and then eventually putting it back into blood circulation. So it is a waste removal system. It's getting rid of those toxins. And lastly, another important function of the lymphatic system is lipid transport. So when we eat essential fatty acids, we have the essential fatty acids in our diet, most of those are going to be transported by the lymphatic system. So they're going to, the short chain and long chain fatty acids are going to leave the small intestine through specialized lymphatic vessels called lacteals. And it's going to enter there from our gut into these lymphatic vessels, and they are going to be then transported to the blood circulation. Medium chain triglycerides, they bypass the lymphatics in the gut and go directly to the liver via the portal vein. But all other fats are transported by the lymphatic system. So you can see how this is a very vital thing. Another vital thing the lymphatic system does, because these are essential fatty acids. We have to have these to survive, and we can't get along without them. We can't produce them ourselves. And so that brings me then to just a short little thing, as I always like to talk about, that why a ketogenic way of eating, a low carbohydrate, high fat way of eating, best supports the lymphatic system. It helps the lymphatic system transport fluid because we have the absence of highly inflammatory carbohydrates, and we have the nourishing fats, healthy fats in our diet. So until next time, thanks for joining me. Talk to you again soon.